Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at Nintendo 3DS Super Mario Queen and Protection Kit. So yeah. So, Nintendo 3DS Super Mario Queen and Protection Kit. Made by Power A, official license, seal Nintendo Power approval thing. So, store up to 4 Nintendo DS game cards. So, there's that in there. So it features Princess Peach Toadstool and the star. If you didn't know which one she was going by, Princess Toadstool, and then they're like, Toadstool? Ew, that doesn't sound too nice of a name, but that's her last name. And I just dropped the Toadstool and just started calling her by her first name, Peach. Princess Peach. Yeah. But if you didn't know, old school Toadstool, newer ones refer to her as Peach. Yeah. So what do we get in here? Wow, I love that. I got that for a real bargain at Walmart in clearance. $3 for this kit. I mean, I've seen other kits go for like 7, 8, 9, 10 bucks. And I only pay like $3. That's a great deal. So it works with Nintendo 3DS and Nintendo, well, the new 3DS and the new 3DS XL. So yeah, there's that. So what do you get in here? Super Mario character stylus, 2 of them, which is a Peach and a star. 1 game card case, which says Super Mario on there, which holds only 4 games, which I know, yeah, stores 4 Nintendo DS game cards, a peel and stick cleaning cloth, which is probably back there somewhere. Oh no, it's right here. The peel and stick cleaning cloth, and a screen protector. Okay, that's something new. Screen protector. Didn't even mention that over here, bud. Yeah, we'll go with that. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. So yeah, a lot of people have been saying, oh, don't use your hobby knife on this, tone it up all the way, which, yeah, I kind of see what they mean, because sometimes you can scratch it due to the horrible way that they package these products. So some people say, well, you're still using it. Yeah, just enough to get in there to cut a little slot in there, as you can see, so I could get my scissors in there, because, I mean, obviously the scissors is not gonna go in here. See? So yeah. But you know what? I don't care, it's my video. I'm doing the unboxing. I don't mean to sound like a jerk, but you know what I mean. I'm not forcing you to watch the video. If you don't want to watch it, watch something else. Quit off the video. Go, watch someone else do unboxing, where they use scissors, or they use a big old knife, or, something like that. For me, I love to use, the little model hobby knife. X-Acto knife, it's just awesome. I have a lot better control over it than using like a pocket knife and stuff. It's thin, it's easy, it's sharp, it gets right down in there, precise to the point. I don't have to deal with trying to get big old scissors or big old blade into smaller places. It just works. So here it is. You do get 2 of them. 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom screen. Which actually, oddly enough, I don't have any on my 3DS. So I don't have one on here. which I will put these on, but not on camera. So off camera, I will put these on. Yeah, I don't know how I survived all this long without screen protector. But apparently, I did. Yeah, it's gonna get fingerprints on it, but you know, same thing was this. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty awesome. So cool. Now I got a screen protector for my new Nintendo 3DS XL, I believe it was. Yeah, that's awesome. So we have our blue star and yellow star stylus. This says Super Mario on the back of it. I love to do that. And then we have our red Princess Peach stylus. Was again Super Mario. Don't know why they didn't have a Mario one. You know, red Mario was Mario, but oh well. Excuse me. But here's our little game case which says Super Mario. Which I liked it. You know what this kind of reminds me of? Was the colors on here. The S, the U, the P, the E, the R, the red, blue, yellow, green. Kind of reminds me of the N64 Mario. You know, Mario N64. That one. And maybe a little bit of, I don't know about Mario Kart on N64, but did they do this for Mario Sunshine on the GameCube? I know it wasn't this, you know, color scheme, but like the way how they made it was like big and squishy kind of design. Where it's the O is not really round, it's kind of like roughed out around the O and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Kind of got an old school nostalgia going on. So here's how you open it up. Top, 2 game cards, and then back here, 2 game cards. So let's see if we could get. So kind of like accordion style. 2 game cards in each. I thought it was going to be one big case that, you know, you open it up and then you put 2 and then another 2 in there, but okay, they want us that. That's pretty cool. And then here's our little character Queen and cloth. Again, you just peel the baton off and you stick it to either the back of the 3DS or to the top of the 3DS. And then when you need to clean the screen, just peel it off and wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipey, wipey! You clean it. But I'm not going to use it as a cleaning cloth. I'm not going to stick it on my 3DS. I'm just going to keep it as a little collector thing. So if you're wondering, hey, are you going to put it on your 3DS? Or, hey, are you going to take it with you? No, just a question thing. Just like with the stylus and the case. Case, yeah, I could use. Stylus is, yeah, I could use. Screen protection, definitely I needed that. Because as you saw, I don't have any on there. So, I mean, you know, for the Nintendo 3DS Super Mario Queen and Protection Kit by Power A. Is it worth it? Yeah, definitely. I mean, if you're here to see it like a Walmart or Target or maybe a Toys R Us or even like a Myers for like about $3, definitely pick it up. I mean, maybe you don't like, you know, Princess Peach, so you probably won't use that. You probably already have a screen protector, so you might not need it. Stylus, you may not like this one, but I mean, hey, at least it's that's just 2 stars. Game cases, you can always use a game case to always store your games. So yeah, not bad. I think Power A did a really nice job here. So that's been the unboxing review of Nintendo 3DS Super Mario Queen and Protection Kit. Remember to rate, subscribe, and like. Alright, thanks, bye.